welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a video on my new ring light. So the brand that I chose was Neewer in the 18-inch and I ordered it from Amazon. So today I'll be doing a unboxing and basically just putting it all together and just showing you guys how it looks. So it came in this big box, as you can see. This is the box right here. It is very big. And then inside of the box is another box. Oh, cool. So it did come with this big carrying case. Like I said, I ordered it from Amazon and the brand is Neewer. And this is the carrying case. Here is the light stand. So this is the ring light. So the back is pretty thick. So I feel like they have cardboard all around the front and the back to make sure it doesn't get damaged. But again, here is the bag, the carrying bag that it came in, and here is another box. And the lights and the plug and instructions. So now I'm just loosening this bolt up, and then I'm going to tighten it back up. Okay, so right here is where you can adjust the height. Okay, I'm going to see how tall it gets. From the stand at the bottom, and here is how tall it gets. I'm 5'6", 5'7", so it's actually pretty tall. I'm just going to let it down a little bit so I can put the ring light on. Okay, here is the cord, the power cord. And I don't recall mentioning that I actually paid $71 for it, and it only took about 2 days to get here, so it was pretty quick. Here are the diffusers that you can put on the light, of course, to dim the light up. It also came with a Bluetooth remote. See, I have to take them off and put it back on because it's best to go in order, because it's the like it's a level that you have to put it on. Okay, so it also came with the phone attachment and also the camera as well. And I like how they have the little ball on here, so when you have your camera connected to it, you know, you can adjust it to lower it or whichever way you would like it to go. Okay, so now I'm going to place the ring light on. And I'm going to add the, like I said, the little camera adjustment to the top, and then just tighten it up. I'm going to also show you guys how it looks with my camera on. And my camera, this is what I use to record if I don't use my iPhone 11. Canon Rebel DSLR T7i, and I will be doing a review on my camera. See, here's an adjustment where you can move it up or down. And at the back of the ring light is back, and the bottom part is where the adjustments are, the power and the dimmer. Okay, here we go. I like it. Okay, so this is how bright it gets. Okay, so this is the ring light. And this is me lowering the light, powering it off. And it's a knob on the bottom of the ring light, so where you can adjust it to where if you like filming yourself doing your nails or anything like that, you can lower the light adjustment. And just make sure you tighten it back up. And now I'm going to show you guys the phone attachment. I'm going to use my son's phone because I am recording with my cell phone. So now I'm going to turn it off and try to put the diffusers on. So this is how it looks with one of them on. I'm not going to put both of them on because I'm going to put the clear ones back on. But anyways, this is how the ring light looks. Again, I bought it from Amazon. The brand is Neewer, and I paid about $71, of course, plus tax, and it only took about 2 days to get here. So far, I like it. I am going to use it probably a lot to help with the quality of my videos or my pictures. I do thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And also turn on your notifications so you'll know when I'm posting another video.
There's something in the air.